In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your 2025 Microsoft Teams experience with some incredible features and tips that will help transform your workflow and communication. Let's dive in. To begin, let me introduce you to a feature that's sure to brighten up your virtual interactions: meeting reactions and live note-taking. When you're in a meeting and you want to share your thoughts or acknowledge someone's points without interrupting, you can use the meeting reactions. These reactions let you express sentiments like applause or thumbs up in real time, enhancing your interaction without breaking the speaker's flow. Meanwhile, live note-taking is a powerful tool for capturing important details as they happen. It allows everyone in the meeting to see and contribute to the notes, ensuring all perspectives are captured and everyone stays on the same page. Next, let's talk about managing notifications. We all know how quickly those can pile up, don't we? An organization is key here, so one simple way to achieve greater focus is to mute and filter channels. This empowers you to concentrate on the most pertinent conversations by temporarily silencing less urgent notifications. Set up custom filters to prioritize incoming messages, ensuring you don't miss updates critical to your project or team. Streamlining your workflow is essential for efficiency, and with Teams, there's so much you can do. Take advantage of the Planner and SharePoint integrations. Using Planner, you can easily track tasks, assign responsibilities, and monitor deadlines, all within your Teams interface. This eliminates the need to switch back and forth between applications. SharePoint, on the other hand, allows seamless document sharing and collaboration. By centralizing your workspaces, you and your team can maintain consistency and improve productivity across the board. Also, forwarding messages in Teams is a breeze. Quickly share important updates or documents with the right individuals or groups without leaving the chat screen. Customizing your view can make a huge difference in your team's experience. Adjust your layout to display more participants or focus on shared content. This lets you select the most effective format for your meetings, whether you're hosting a large presentation or engaging in a more intimate brainstorming session. Efficiency is also about enhancing your meetings. Utilize breakout rooms to facilitate group discussions or idea generation sessions. These smaller, focused environments are excellent for fostering collaboration and creativity. Meanwhile, with translation capabilities, language barriers become a thing of the past in your meetings. Simply activate the translation feature to ensure everyone understands and can contribute fully, fostering a more inclusive atmosphere. Lastly, simplify your communication efforts with some neat new features. For instance, double-clicking to create hyperlinks significantly speeds up the process of linking resources, letting you quickly reference or share information. So there you have it. By integrating these tips into your daily routine, you'll master the art of efficient and engaging communication on Microsoft Teams. Over time, these enhancements can greatly influence your productivity, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope these insights enhance your Microsoft Teams journey.